Cleaning checklists protect reviews and reduce stress. I'm going to share how to do away with inconsistent cleaning standards. You can forgive a lot as a guest: a small bedroom, a quirky layout, even a neighbor who thinks 6 a.m. is a fine time to test a leaf blower. But dirt? No chance. Cleanliness is the silent judge of your vacation rental business. Guests might not mention it when it's perfect, but they'll always notice it when it's not. When they do, it shows up in reviews, rankings, and future bookings. If you've ever opened a review with one eye closed, this episode is for you. I'm going to break down how to create a repeatable cleanliness system, not heroic last-minute cleaning, so your property shows up spotless, calm, and guest-ready every single stay. I share deeper walkthroughs like this on the Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast and on the YouTube channel. Near the end, I'm also going to share one cleanliness mistake that quietly destroys 5-star reviews. Now, before we get started, here's a quick question. What's the one thing you should always double-check before a guest arrives? Let me know in the comments. Why cleanliness is one standard you cannot negotiate. Cleanliness sets the emotional tone of the stay. Guests decide how they feel about your rental in the first 30 seconds. Floors, smells, bathrooms, kitchen services. Their brain runs a silent checklist before they even put their bags down. A clean property builds trust. A missed detail breaks it. This isn't about perfection. It's about confidence. When a guest feels safe, settled, and respected, they relax. And a relaxed guest leaves better reviews. The cleaning checklist that saves you from whoops. A checklist turns stress into certainty. Without one, cleaning relies on memory, mood, and how rushed the day feels. With one, every turnover follows the same calm rhythm. No thinking required. Here's the framework you want. Living areas. Dust all visible surfaces and decor. Vacuum carpets. Mop hard floors. Disinfect switches, handles, and remotes. Check cushions, throws, and furniture for marks. In the bedrooms, replace all laundry. Check under beds. Guests always notice dust there. Clean mirrors and wardrobe handles. In the bathrooms, disinfect toilets, sinks, showers, baths. Polish taps and mirrors. Replace towels and restock toiletries. Empty bins and check for mold. In the kitchen, clean worktops, sinks, splashbacks. Wipe appliances inside and out. Check cupboards for forgotten items. Empty bins and replace liners. Outdoor spaces. Sweep patios and walkways. Wipe furniture and cushions. Clean barbecues if provided. Tidy entrances and door areas. If your property has a hot tub, pool, fire pit, or pets allowed, add them to the list. A generic checklist creates generic results. How to train cleaners so standards don't drift. Cleaners don't fail systems. Systems fail cleaners. Whether it's you, a team member, or a professional service, clarity matters more than speed. Start with expectations. Walk the property together. Show what clean looks like, not just what to do. Photos help. So does a printed checklist. Communicate simply. Clear deadlines. Clear priorities. No guessing. Tools like Turnover B&B help, but even a shared message thread works if expectations are firm. Check without micromanaging. Do occasional spot checks, not to catch people out, but to protect standards. And when guests praise cleanliness, pass it on. Cleaners rarely hear the good stuff. Speed versus thoroughness. choice. Fast cleaning that misses details costs you later. Back-to-back bookings happen, and when they do, your checklist becomes your safety net. Nothing gets skipped just because the clock is loud. Schedule deeper cleans during the slower weeks. Skirting boards, grout, vents. Guests may not name them, but they feel them. Calm spaces come from unseen effort, turning clean into guest ready. Clean is the baseline. Guest ready feels intentional. Fresh air beats fake scents. Ventilate. Keep scents neutral. Nothing screams cover up like an overpowering fragrance. Stock what guests expect. Toilet paper, soap, bin bags, sponges. Running out feels careless, even if everything else sparkles. Prepare for requests. Cots, blankets, fans, extra towels. Being ready looks like magic to guests. What's the one area in your rental that always needs extra attention during cleaning? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Cleanliness protects reviews. Checklists remove stress. Systems beat speed. Cleaners need clarity. Guest ready beats spotless. Cleanliness isn't about effort. It's about systems. When your cleaning process runs quietly in the background, you gain calm, confidence, and consistent 5-star feedback. Inside the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, we've built these systems step by step, so standards hold up even when you're not there. For a related reading, see How to Build Daily Vacation Rental Routines That Keep Guests Raving, episode 89. You can find it on the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. Subscribe, and if these helped, feel free to buy us a coffee. It keeps the lights on and the checklists coming.